You may be feeling stuck in your head. Siguro may mga bagay na hindi mo masyadong nakikita, pero you are feeling stuck na parang gusto mong kumawala dun sa mga thoughts mo. So this could also mean you have been dealing with anxiety, anxious thoughts, and negative thoughts na gusto mong kumawala dun sa mga bagay na nagiging stuck yung isip mo. And alam mong hindi nakabubuti yung mga thoughts na to sa'yo. So, if you are feeling this reading is for you. This is meant to find you, so just take how it resonates. And if it did not resonate with you, feel free to scroll away. Okay, so let's see. What is this? What's this card? Says, what is this card saying to you? Okay, tingnan natin. Ano ang you are feeling stuck? Okay. Okay. So you got the King of Cups, the Empress, and the Four of Swords. So you may feel like yung emotions mo, you know how to handle your emotions. Pero somehow, you still feel stuck in your head. Siguro nauunahan ka ng anxious thoughts, ng negative thoughts, imbes na you listen to your body. Okay? And then, you also need to remember that you are the Empress. You embody the Empress. You deserve nurturing, loving, abundant, caring life, loving life. Kaya, um, don't forget to embody this, and also your mental um give your mind some rest. Okay, the Four of Swords is mental rest. So yun nga, you are feeling stuck in your head, so parang lagi ka nag-overthink. Yung overthinking mo napupunta sa mga negative thoughts. You might feel like you're stuck in your head, pero I feel that the cards are saying na you also need to connect with your feelings. You need to connect with your emotions, and be still sometimes. So Empress is hindi siya tumatayo for anyone. Nakaupo lang siya sa throne niya. Enjoy the silence, enjoy the stillness. In stillness, you find peace. And don't forget also to have mental rest din. Kasi nga, kung yung mga thoughts mo naman is giving you negativity your whole day, and it's something na nagko-control ng buong araw mo, 'di ba? Give yourself some time, your mind to rest, kasi it will give you clarity. Okay, let's confirm this. King of Cups. King of Cups. You got the Hermit. Okay, so ayan, yung mga negative thoughts or yung mga iniisip mo na hindi mo technically nakikita ng malinaw, na hindi siya clear for you, you need to go within. Okay, yung mga tanong mo sa isip mo na nagsispiral ka, you know the answers and you just have to find them within you. Or you could also seek the answers by listening to your emotions, by listening on what your body is telling you. So, ayan, seek within. Okay? Yung mga sagot, alam mo yung mga sagot sa mga tanong mo, pero you have to seek within, do introspection, reflect on what has been happening around you. Ayan. And for the Empress, you got the World. So, I feel na this is about ending a cycle. Okay? And, yun nga, with this cycle ending, you don't have to do anything. Okay? You have to nurture yourself. You have to take care of yourself. You are the Empress already. If you embody the Empress, let the cycle end. Okay? Let the cycle end. Yan, wag mo daw i-overthink. Kasi the cycle will end talaga. And you don't have to do anything. Okay? For the Four of Swords, we got the Three of Wands. Okay, so I feel na if you give yourself some mental rest, if you give yourself some time to rest your mind, na hindi ka nag-overthink ng mga bagay-bagay, hindi ka stuck in your head, and you will be seeing things more clearly. Ayan, naka-blindfold ka dyan. So if you will give yourself some time to to rest, okay? To let it simmer, okay? Yung mga thoughts mo, give it some time. I feel na the future is very wide for you. The future is everything, okay? You will get to act on your goals. Okay? Mas lilinaw kung ano man yung future mo. So, if you will give yourself some time to rest your mind, to reflect, on yourself and go within, and to just be still, enjoy the moment of stillness, you will get the clarity for you to move forward. You will have a brighter future ahead of you, and you will be more driven to work on your goals um, and to see things through. Okay, so that's that's the message of the cards for you. If this message resonated with you, let me know in the comments. And if you want a personal reading, send me a message. Or you can also see the link in my bio if you want to get a personal message. Okay, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.